Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, November 22, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, November 22, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng November 22, 2023 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, November 22, 2023. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for November 22, 2023, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Wednesday, November 22, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.